Good luck on your Pick 6 tickets. Gates open, they're up and racing. Seri draws for your lead. Simple Pleasure running by the rail. Might Jump, the favorite, running on the outside, catching the second spot. Wow, Jazzy running in between runners, then moving up on the outside. Phantom Cookie running in between runners. Royal Kapupu Barbie, while Good Investment now in behind them, rounding towards the 600. Seri leading the field, moving up on the outside. My Jump moves up by a neck to grab the lead. Simple Pleasure by the rail, closing in is Phantom Cookie. Barbie arriving at the race to Good Investment. And as they swing for home, Fernando Raquel Jr. on My Jump goes right for the lead. Simple Pleasure is by the rail. Barbie racing in third, running on the outside. Good Investment. Then by the release Seri, My Jump, this time by about 5 lengths. Simple Pleasure remains in second. Good Investment is on the outside third. And finally, My Jump, Simple Pleasure, Good Investment. Then comes Seri, Barbie for your Pentafecta.